Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished a suspension revalve on a 2023 KTM 350SXF. The front forks got the WP XACT Pro 6500 kit revalved to the JBI Suspension Motocross spec. And the WP rear shock was also revalved to a JBI Suspension Motocross spec to match the front forks. And also a firmer spring was used to match the rider's weight of 175 pounds. And he's also 6'2", so he's got some good leverage over the bike as he rides. Up front, we paired that with some 5.0 Newton fork springs. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.